Welcome. If you want to get really beautiful animated wallpaper, the magic fluids on your LG K42, at the first you have to go for the Play Store, tap on search pool and type magic fluids. We have to get this application from the Mad Scientist. Click install. Right now let's open. Click OK. And right now tap right here, tap to set as a live wallpaper and go for the settings by tapping here. And right now I'm going to show you my favorite theme of this wallpaper, and there's this one. So click here, tap OK, and after that we can simply go back, and as you can see here it is, this automatically fluid thing floating on our screen. Click apply, click OK to set, and as you can see right now, here we got this wallpaper. I think that it looks really cool, and I hope that you enjoyed this one. And yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel. See ya!